Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your bitcoin.com wallet account. So let's get started right away. First of all, launch Open bitcoin.com application from your app drawer and make sure to sign into your account as well. Soon after you get to this homepage, the first thing you'll need to do is to make sure that you've transferred any remaining Bitcoin or another wallet or exchange from your bitcoin.com application. Make sure to shift your assets since once deleting the wallet will make it inaccessible. After you have done that, go ahead and tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. From the settings menu, tap on your email address at the top. Now, tap on the delete account button under log out and tap the continue button in the pop-up to ensure that you would like to delete your account. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete your bitcoin.com wallet account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.